MeBeBot is your digital virtual assistant that serves as an HR generalist with 6 years of trained experience. You can access MeBeBot in Microsoft Teams, Slack, through any web browser, as well as SMS text messages. Let's check out MeBeBot in Microsoft Teams. Whether your workforce uses Microsoft Teams through the desktop app or the mobile app, they can come into MeBeBot and ask any question they like, such as, how do I get my pay stub? MeBeBot serves up answers directly to your workforce and can also support hyperlinks to the specific portal or document where this lives. Your workforce can simply click on the hyperlink and be able to access the information. MeBeBot also provides related topics based on the question that was asked. The employee is able to dig deeper into specifics, such as direct deposit information. By selecting direct deposit, we can then receive that specific answer. We can continue to explore to see even where the employees are able to find their paycheck history. Overall, MeBeBot provides your workforce answers to many of the common challenges and questions they have on a daily basis. We can also ask MeBeBot questions such as, how do I get a new insurance card? If, for whatever reason, the answer provided is not what the employee is looking for, we are also able to provide them with a two-way communication channel where they are able to inform us as the content owners if this is a helpful answer or not. By selecting no, not only are we receiving this feedback in the backend for further content improvement, we're also able to point the employees in the direction of those who may be able to help them to get to a more granular answer, such as a human contact. By selecting Escalate, the employee is able to ask their question and get a little bit more specific about it. Let's say that they need a new insurance card for their vision plan. The employee can then select the correct escalation path, whether it is a ticketing system or a specific email distribution group. In this case, we could select the U.S. Benefits Support Team to have this question sent to. Upon hitting Submit, a ticket will be automatically created. Let's take a look at what MeBeBot looks like in the Slack environment. MeBeBot is great for maintaining your employee data because we are able to support them with simple questions such as, how can I update my address? Through asking this question directly in Slack, the employees will not only get an answer, but they will also be able to see related topics, such as how they can update other contact information as well. MeBeBot not only supports your workforce with HR-related questions, but we can also support them with IT-related questions as well. For example, when your employees have a guest over at the office and they have a question or concern about the guest Wi-Fi password, that answer can be surfaced in MeBeBot immediately. In addition to that, we are also able to provide links to templates as well as IT tools and assets that your company may have, such as an update to an email signature template. As you can see here, you're able to link your tools and assets and templates directly in MeBeBot's user interface so that your workforce do not have to go outside of the MeBeBot connection to get to where they need to be. In addition to HR and IT related questions, MeBeBot can also support you with facility questions as well, such as, how do I get a new badge? Overall, MeBeBot is a 24/7 multi-channel solution that meets your workforce where they are and interacts with them in the flow of work. MeBeBot is designed for organizations of all sizes and types. For those who have many deskless workers that do not have an access to a laptop or computer at all times, MeBeBot is also there to support them. We are able to deliver answers to their questions through SMS and text messages. MeBeBot provides a powerful platform for the back-end HR admin users. In our home dashboard, which you can see here, we're able to sense the heartbeat of the organization and see what is top of mind for our employees. We can see our usage data, as well as those top questions that are being asked within a specific time frame across the organization. From the dashboard, you can also see how many employees across different geography are asking questions and utilizing MeBeBot at any given time. In addition, you can dig deeper within the categories of questions that they're asking to understand the specific nature of the questions that they have across your entire operation. Let's take a look at where the magic happens. HR users of MeBeBot are able to populate and edit the question and answers in the system in a couple of different ways. First, they can use the AI wizard to scan a document. This is where you can simply upload a document saved onto your desktop, such as a benefits guide. Once you have selected the document, select the location that is associated with the document and start the scan. The scan may take a couple of minutes, depending on the size of the document. Once the document has scanned, you will be able to view the AI Wizard suggestions by enabling the AI Wizard Suggestions filter. From here, you can quickly view and access all of the suggested answers. By selecting Preview All Answers, you're able to view the suggested answer that the AI Wizard is prompting you to review and possibly take action on. From here, you can see your current default answer as well as the AI-generated suggestion. You can quickly cut and paste the answer, and this will be updated for your employees immediately when you hit save. Alternatively, you can schedule the answer for a future date and time and select Save. You can also modify and edit your answers directly within the question. This only takes a few minutes. Let's say we had to change our employee referral program. I can select Preview All Answers, select Edit, and here we will see our current answer that is populated within the system and provided to our employees. We can quickly scan our new employee referral policy simply by dragging and dropping the new policy from our desktop computer. This will immediately review the document and provide a series of suggested answers based on the new policy for our referral program. We can now see the new suggested answer. If we like it, we can quickly copy the suggested answer and replace our current answer. And then we can hit Save. After that, it will be made immediately available to our employees when they ask the next question. In MeBeBot, it is incredibly simple and quick to edit and update your answers. We can simply click on Preview All Answers and then click Edit. We can quickly modify the answer, such as informing employees of who they can contact with additional questions. As you can see here, MeBeBot provides you with placeholder values, so that way you don't have to update every single answer every single time a contact information changes. You can now click Save, and this will make the answer immediately available for your employees. MeBeBot also provides functionality to send tailored messaging directly to your employees within the flow of work, such as through Teams or Slack app. Here, you can view the previously sent push messages over time. We can see the successful deliveries of those push messages. To create a new message, select Create. You can select from our current templates, such as Company Meetings Reminder. Next, you will select the time and date to deliver your message. Then, you can select the team or the group that you would like this message to be distributed to. The teams and groups can be pre-configured using your company's existing directory or configure through a CSV upload. You can now quickly confirm your message and schedule it for distribution at a future date. MeBeBot can also gauge the sentiment of your workforce through its ability to send specific pulse surveys to your workforce from Microsoft Teams and Slack. In the platform, we can see prior surveys that were sent, as well as the specific results. Once a survey is sent to employees, we can see the real-time responses within the survey results screen. With MeBeBot, you will never have to repeat an answer to your workforce questions ever again. We are online 24/7 for your workforce, and you can experiment with AI with very limited risks. MeBeBot is an economical solution that is quick to implement for HR teams who want to become more efficient through AI. With a proprietary in-house AI model developed for over 6 years by HR professionals to solve HR-specific challenges, MeBeBot elevates HR professionals by giving them time back to solve the strategic business problems. HR has been asked to do more with less for decades now. It is time for MeBeBot to help HR teams to do more, do better, and do it all safely.